Hello everyone, it was my birthday yesterday and I got a bunch of Rubik's Cubes. And I brought this up here because I couldn't find my 2x2, but then I found it. So I'm going to be showing you all my weird Rubik's Cubes that I got. Yeah. So what one should I start with? Oh, you want to... Okay, I'll end with that one then. How about I start with the cubes I already had, except from, this is a new 4x4 because my last one smashed. So the 2x2, I love this one. I can turn it really fast without knowing what I'm doing. I love this cube. Look, here's the 2x2. Do you have a 2x2? There is a reason I am interrupting this video. It's because I am telling you to go and subscribe to Warrior Oleg. I don't remember how many subscribers he's got, but I think he has around 20 already. His videos get like 80 views, and you need to subscribe to Warrior Oleg. You know how Warrior and then no space OLEG. Warrior Oleg. Go subscribe. He said he would like to be like me one day on YouTube. Can you go back a few seconds if whatever I said makes sense? Makes sense. So go subscribe to Warrior Oleg. He has around 20 subscribers from when I last checked, I think. Go subscribe. He wants to be like me. Bye. You really thought the video was going to end? No. No. I think them with the 2x2 the whole time. 2x2, you should definitely get one. They're really good. How about I just show you the Pindaloo game? Pindaloo. Here, my mum said what her name because Pindaloo. There's a type of covey called Vindaloo. So there is a ball in here. And what you're meant to do, I wonder if you've heard this game before. You put the ball in here. Don't know why I'm doing this. I'll be back in a minute. I'm back. I've got this, the ball. What you're meant to do is you saw the ball come out of, go down this hole, out of this hole, back into there, and do it for a long time. That could show you how to master this game. He's really good at this. But now we're going to move on to my 3x3 Rubik's Cube. I just realised it's going to take ages to showcase all of these. The videos of all of these in 3 minutes. So I think it's good. You think this is good if you have one? Well, it is really good. You should all know that. But the thing is, the centerpieces on mine kind of fall out a bit because we've had to take them out, put them back together to figure out the way to put them back in. Because I didn't know where the centerpieces go, where like they all just popped out and then I had to put them in and this, and of course it was wrong. So I had to use a Rubik's Cube website to, okay, let's just not talk about this. And it's this has really good turning. Oh yeah, that's great. Okay, moving on to the 4x4. Why is it dusty? Just swiped it all off. So here's the also really good turning. Of course I don't have magnetic cubes because they're just the most expensive ones. So, but do any of you guys like Rubik's Cubes? I wonder if you do. Remember, subscribe to Warrior Oleg. Okay, that's good. Done. Bob here. Bob, my best friend Snake. He's Bob, the snake. Got Bob the snake. Here we have my 5x5 Rubik's Cube. I have got cube bigger than this. Yeah, because it was my birthday, as you know. I think I said that at the start of the video. I really don't remember. I think I did. Look at this. 9 squares out of here, 1 square out of here, and it's there. And I will solve the right side right now. I definitely won't. What? This video is gonna go on for ages, isn't it? Yay! It's on the right side. This has good turning as well, like every cube does. Okay, moving on to my tiny Rubik's Cube. It's tiny. Tiny! I think it has much better turning than I thought it did when I first got it. Boom. Oh, I know what you want me to say. Go subscribe to Warrior Oleg. Okay. Yeah, again. Okay. Go subscribe to Warrior Oleg. 5 times if you can. Okay. Do you have a tiny Rubik's Cube? You should, because it's really good. And now we have this word cube. It's a sphere, but these bits on the outside to make it look like a cube is very weird. Right side. I didn't do it. Whoa. What? You almost solved 2 sides. Never been that close to solving 2 sides. Here's the white side. Here's almost solving the yellow side. Good turning. Turn it really fast. Don't know why I didn't show you that on the other clues. Cubes. Ice skater. Why was there a Lego card right there? So random. You want to see my bigger cubes now? A 6x6. It's really, I actually like. This is like the best cube ever. Oh, what, Russia, what do you want to say to me? Oh, and Asia and China, what do you want to say? Oh, you've already subscribed to Warrior Oleg, that's good. Or Europe. See where I live. And everyone there. Everyone in Canada. Everyone in India. And Greenland. And Kazakhstan. And Egypt. And Tanzania, and California, and Canada, and Whitehorse, whatever that is, and Lapland. Everyone in the world, as we all know, should be subscribed to Warrior Oleg. I bet some of you people do like Rubik's Cubes, but you're just not telling me. Okay, you want a quick look? Okay, you do. Okay, that's all you're gonna see. Here's my Rubik's Cube. I just like to turn it because some people say these are fidgets at my school. I don't know why, because they're all puzzles and fidgets. Do you think they're puzzles? Do you think they're fidget, or do you think they're 2 things? I don't really know, but now we can go subscribe to Warrior Oleg. Okay, now we can move on to my 7x7. Yeah, oh, wait there. Listen to it. The bigger it gets, the louder it gets, I guess. But from Finland. Subscribe to Warrior Oleg. Okay, that's good. Oh, and the message from Iceland. Don't subscribe to Warrior Oleg. Iceland, we hate you. Everyone subscribe to Warrior Oleg. Iceland is rubbish. I'm saying sorry. Good Iceland. I have no idea what's going on with Iceland. I suppose they just apologise, but it's so confusing. And if you are people that watch these videos that are like really good at solving really fast, you would probably know about a cube. I have no idea how to even solve one side on this. If any of you people do, that would be great. Please give me some advice if you do know. Otherwise, my life would be dead. Yay! Ooh. Ooh, oh. It just makes such weird shapes, this thing. Yeah, but the turning is good. But also, I'm going to say it's bad because I don't know how to turn it. But the turning is good. But also bad because I don't know how to turn it. But it doesn't matter about that, so the turning is actually good. And then it just makes these weird shapes. Someone teach me what this world is. Oh, hello Mongolia. What would you like to say? Subscribe to Warrior Oleg. That's good. Got a globe. Okay. Oh, the whole of Africa would like to say subscribe to Warrior Oleg. And South America, and United States, and Australia, and China, and Asia, and Russia, and whatever. Where's Australia gone? Oh, there it is. And Indonesia. Everyone wants to subscribe to Warrior Oleg, so you should. It's telling you to. So you better. Cubes are good. I'm confusing. I like confusing things. Now we're going to move on to my Killer Minx, I think it's called. Yes. Quite easy to solve the right side once I figured out how dumb I was not being able to. Do any of you know how to solve the entire thing? Because of course I don't. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Marshall Islands. They want to subscribe. Okay. Oh, and Hawaii. And Hawaii want to subscribe to Warrior Oleg. Oh, the oceans want to subscribe as well. The Pacific Ocean definitely wants to subscribe. And the Atlantic Ocean. I don't know how to pronounce those other. I was going to say more countries, but of course I don't know how to pronounce most of them. Tanzania. I know a place called Tasmania. I think it's in North America. But Tanzania. That's so weird. And then we have Egypt. A few more subscribers from Egypt. That's good. Hey, Scoop. Why did I say Scooby? It's a Killer Minx. Now we're going to move on to the Greasy Pizza Giga Minx, I think. I think this is a Greasy Pizza Giga Minx. I call it Greasy Pizza because it just feels like greasy pizza. Turning is a bit... What? I solved the 2x2. I solved the 2x2. See, yeah, I solved the 2x2. This is good turning, greasy pizza turning, and it is great because I love pizza. Get this, it's good for like pizza. And then we're gonna move on to whatever this monstrosity is. Really don't think I'm gonna be able to do it. So there is a ball inside of here. I think you need to put all the colours together in the right way to make a path for the ball to go down. But of course I have no idea how to do it. I just like turning it. Remember, the bigger it is, the louder it is. It's not that with the globe though. Oh my god. Egypt is getting so many subscribers from Egypt, even though I'm learning about Egypt at school at the moment. And here is the 3 in a row Rubik's Cube game. Yeah. Okay, you can take the top off here. And then you can tip all the bits out. And you can play 3 in a row. I played it with my dad once. He absolutely destroyed me. Except from he was 1 off. I moved the cube. You can move the cube when you're playing it. And it was just great because he beat me. And that was my first time playing it. And I got it for my birthday. But who cares? It was still fun. As long as I had fun. It was great. Oh yeah. Oh, wait. Asia is calling me. Gotta quickly talk to them. Just waiting for them. And then I'll talk back to you. I also saw Mickey Mouse when I was out talking to Asia. Said Mickey Mouse is also subscribed, and Minnie Mouse and Donald Duck. That was nothing like Donald Duck, the last bit. I really think this is good. Look, 3 in a row. It's great. I like it. It's good. So there are all my Rubik's Cubes. I think. Remember to subscribe to Warrior Oleg. It is spelt capital WARRIOR capital OLEG. There will be a link in the description for his channel so you can easily subscribe. Bye! Go subscribe.